Hi, I'm Lee Dickey with Dickey Farms, and I'm here today with my sister Margie. We are here at our family's home that dates back to the late 1800s, around the time when our farm started. Our customers always ask us, what is your favorite peach cobbler recipe? So today, Margie is going to show us the recipe that we always use.
Hey everyone, I'm Margie Dickey. Peaches are one of the best fruits to add to recipes, especially desserts. And today, I'm going to show you a recipe for a classic Southern style dessert, peach cobbler. For this peach cobbler recipe, I like to start with the best peaches that you can buy, Dickey Farms peaches. I like to take the peaches and peel, then slice them till I have about 4 or 5 cups. Once I have the peaches sliced, I set those aside for later in the recipe. Now that you have your peaches sliced, go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. While the oven's preheating, take a stick of butter and place it in a 9x13 pan. Place that pan in the oven and let your butter melt while you combine the rest of the ingredients. Take a cup and a half of sugar, a cup and a half of self-rising flour and place it in a bowl. Then take a cup and a half of milk and pour it in the bowl with the flour and sugar and mix well. Once you've combined your flour, sugar, and milk, you want to take your melted butter out of the oven. Then take your flour mixture and pour on top of the melted butter, and I like to stir slightly. Once you have all your ingredients in your 9x13 inch pan, you want to then take your beautifully sliced Dickey Farms peaches and lay them on top of the flour and butter mixture. Next, you'll place that in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Once the cobbler is golden brown, I like to take it out of the oven, give myself a large helping, and top it with some Dickey Farms peach ice cream and enjoy. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this Dickey family favorite peach cobbler recipe. For all the details, visit our website, gapeaches.com.